Tusky Beats. The meal was extremely tasty. The meal was delicious. I have to say thanks for this beautiful meal before it's time to wash up the dishes. The earth is extremely important. The earth is precious. We have to try to do everything that we can to heal it and to protect it. The cell was extremely small. The cell was tiny, but I couldn't function for one moment without the trillions of cells inside me. The weather was extremely cold. It was freezing. I walked through the streets on a blanket of snow on a beautiful winter's evening. Taking it to the extreme. Don't stop that drum, keep it hitting, hitting. That's right, it goes. Taking it to the extreme. Can I please just speak for a minute? He was extremely wet. He was soaking. Some feel the rain, others just get wet. That's Bob Marley that I'm quoting. The tree was extremely old. It was ancient. Without the trees, you know we could not breathe. So it's forests we have to be saving. The weather was extremely hot. It was boiling. I sat under the shade of that tree. A beautiful day I'm enjoying. She was extremely scared. She was terrified. Why do we make war? Why can't our common humanity be recognized? Taking it to the extreme. Don't stop that drum, keep it hitting, hitting. That's right, it goes. Taking it to the extreme. Can I please just speak for a minute? I was extremely angry. I was furious. One day will stop the discrimination. That day will come, yeah, I'm sure of it. She was extremely happy. She was ecstatic. A new life had just entered the world to experience all its magic. It was extremely interesting. It was fascinating. We are all 99% the same, and that is something that amazed him. They were extremely hungry. They were starving. How can 1% of the world own so much when people are starving? Taking it to the extreme. Don't stop that drum, keep it hitting, hitting. That's right, it goes. Taking it to the extreme. Can I please just speak for a minute? It was extremely good. It was fantastic. Beautiful gardens in every street, vegetables, flowers and fruit baskets. It was extremely funny. It was hilarious. Laughter is the best medicine, and it's beautiful when we're sharing it. It was extremely bad. It was awful. But she turned the negative to a positive, and that is something we can all do. It was extremely crowded. It was packed. People flowed from all corners of the globe just to hear a new type of rap. Taking it to the extreme. Don't stop that drum, keep it hitting, hitting. That's right, it goes. Taking it to the extreme. Can I please just speak for a minute? That's right, it goes.